So, good morning, engineering buddies. So, another day, another set of problems here in engineering mathematics. So, we are still in solid geometry, but now we are down to our last topic, which is sphere. So, last time we finished discussing prisms, pyramids, cylinder, and cones. Then now, we're down to our last topic, which is sphere. So, to recall, let's take a look of the formula again that we will use in solving spheres. So, yeah. So let's go down to our first problem. So first problem, I think I already solved it. So let's take a look at the lang. What is the surface area of a sphere whose volume is 36 cubic meters? So direct substitution lang. We will just use the following formulas. The volume is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Then the surface area is 4 pi r squared. So given the volume, 36 cubic meter, then since the 4 over 3 pi is just constant, we can now solve for the radius, and then uh, after using the calculator we will arrive on the answer 2.048 meters. Then now we can now solve for the surface area. Direct substitution lang, 4 pi, then the radius is 2.048 squared, so we will arrive on the answer 52.7 square meters. So it's just easy, no, if direct substitution lang siya. Basta alam niya yung formula. Okay? So, next problem, problem number 2. So, given two spheres whose combined volume is known to be 819 cubic meters, if their radii are in ratio 3:4, what is the volume of the smaller sphere? So, how to solve this kind of problem? So, first, let V1 be the bigger sphere. So, V1 volume siya, volume ng bigger sphere. Then, V2 no smaller sphere. Volume ulit. Okay? Then, matik, yung radius nito is R1. Ito naman ay R2. So, sabi dito, mayroon tayong, according to the first statement, combined volume is 819. So, V1 plus V2 is just 819 cubic meters. Then, the ratio, R1 over R2, is 3:4. Baliktad pala, since mas malaki pala yung R1. So now, what's next? So using the concept of similar solids, V2 over V1 is just R2 over R1 cubed. Which is alam natin yung R2 over R1 is just 3/4 cube. So makakuha tayo ng 27 over 64. 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64. So dito, we can now let sabihin natin V1 na lang yung gusto natin kunin. V1 is 64 V2 all over 27. Ngayon, meron na, gamitin na, let's use this first equation. Since V1 is equal to 64 V2 all over 27 plus V2 is equal to 819, makakuha tayo ng value na V2. (64 x all over 27 plus x is equal to 819. So, 243 cubic meters. So, ano bang hinahanap sa atin? Smaller sphere. So, tama yung mag-ano natin. So, that's how you solve this problem. So, 243. Okay? So, next, problem number 3. A sphere of radius r just fits into a cylindrical container of radius r and altitude 2r. Find the empty space in the cylinder. So, pwede naman tayong mag-draw for the representation purposes. Sabihin natin cylinder yan. Tapos meron tayong sphere sa loob. Paano pala to? Yan, parang ganyan. Basta ganyan. Okay? So, meron tayong radius dito na r. Ito yung radius. Yan, may radius tayo. Tapos yung height nito is 2r. So, parang diameter. Diameter. Ito. 2r. 2r. So, tatanong no, find the empty space. So, ang volume ng empty space is just equal to volume ng cylinder minus volume ng sphere. So, ito kasi parang hinahanap dyan eh. Yan, yung empty space na yan. So, volume empty, VE na lang. Yung volume ng cylinder is just kalimutan ko yung formula. Balikan natin. Using pyramid. area ng base times height. Tama, prism nga lang pala. Sige. Yung volume na area ng base, which is circle, so pi r squared times height is 2r. Yan. Minus volume ng sphere is 4 over third pi r cube. So volume empty is just, so just simplify the value. Ito, simplify lang natin. Ito, simplify. Makaka-arrive tayo sa sagot na 2 over third pi r cube. So, hindi ko na pinakita yung simplification nito, guys, ha. So, iwan ko na sa inyo paano isinimplify yan. Pero makaka-arrive tayo sa answer na 2 over third pi r cube. So, that's the final answer. So, for more engineering tutorials, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button para updated tayo sa mga future pa nating tutorials. So, meron pa tayong couple of problems here in Sphere. So, stay tuned lang. So, keep learning, happy watching, and Paden Engineers.